everyone. Today's podcast is on IAS 34 Interim Financial Reporting. Interim financial reports are prepared for a period shorter than the full financial year. Entities may be required to prepare interim financial reports under the local law or listing regulations. IAS 34 does not require the preparation of interim report but set out the principle that should be followed if they are prepared and specifies their minimum content. Means simply IAS 34 is not going to recommend the preparation of interim report, but it set out the principles, the minimum content. Now, what is the conceptual framework say in the interim financial reporting? Financial information is more useful to primary user group if it is provided on a timely basis. Interim financial report provide up-to-date information on the performance, position, cash flow of an entity for the period to date. This information help user react more quickly to positive or negative changes during the financial year. Now, what are the components of interim report? An interim financial report should include as minimum the following content. First, condensed statement of financial position as at the end of the current interim period with comparative statement of financial position as at the end of previous financial year. Second, condensed statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the current period and cumulatively for the current financial year to date. If, for example, the entity reports quarterly with the comparative for the interim period, current and year to date and of preceding financial year. Condensed statement of showing changes in equity. This statement shows the changes in equity cumulatively for the current year with the comparative for corresponding period of preceding financial year. Fourth, condensed statement of cash flow cumulative for the year to date with a comparative statement to the same date of the previous year. Fifth, explanatory note, selected explanatory note, and the last, basic and diluted EPS should be presented on the face of interim statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income for those entities within the scope of IAS 33 earning per share accounting policies. The same accounting policy should be applied in an entity's interim financial statement as are applied in its annual financial statement. So this is a pretty small standard IAS 34 interim financial reporting, and it only covers the two things: what is interim financial reporting and what are the components. So components are, minimum component are balance sheet of the current year and comparative, same as it is statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income. Third is changes in equity, balance sheet, income statement and other comprehensive income, and third is statement of changes in equity, and fourth is statement of cash flow, and fifth is explanatory notes, and sixth is basic and diluted EPS on the face of interim income statement and other comprehensive income. So this is all.